Hello YouTube, PZSC here. Just thought I'd give you guys a quick update because I haven't made many videos lately. So, here's the deal. First things first, I was at Walmart like yesterday, I want to say, and I went back to where the laptops are, and I saw that they have a laptop back there that's pretty cheap. I mean, it's about $300, a little bit less than $300, which I know is ridiculous. I mean, and I'm saying that because when it comes to computers, you really don't want to go that cheap. Otherwise, you probably will get a crappy computer. I'm fully aware of this. But the thing that I like about it is that it has a dual core processor, which is decent. I mean, it could be better, but a dual core processor. In terms of graphics card, I don't know. It's a compact computer, and I like compact. I've heard mixed opinions about them, but the last compact computer I had, or that we had, was pretty good. So I do like compact. So I think if they don't run out of it this time, I'm gonna try and save up for it. Because I was planning on getting it when it was a little bit cheaper, around last Christmas, and of course it went bye-bye on like Black Friday, so fail. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot for that one. I might need to look up some reviews on it. I really need to, next time I'm at Walmart, I'll look at the model number. But yes, that would be awesome. In a little bit, maybe today or something, I will be actually ordering some stickers for this thing, my little Void Cube knockoff. I had said in my little video that I did about it that I would want to tile it, but I do realize it is a knockoff and it doesn't deserve tiles, but I would like to get some decent stickers for it because A, they put the stickers on wrong, as I mentioned. It is a knockoff after all, so I can, sort of forgive that. It's one of the things you sometimes have to give up for getting a fake version, I suppose. Well, yeah, I guess it's a fake version. But yeah, it would also make it a little bit more enjoyable for me to solve. I wouldn't, start memorizing weird color schemes and then having difficulty solving normal Rubik's cubes. So yes, I don't know if I'm going to do that today or not. I mean, I might as well, but we'll see. Maybe I won't today because I'll geek here while I'm gone. Yeah, in about, let's see, not next week, but the next week? I don't know, is that right? Well, let's see, so I guess it's 2 weeks from now, maybe 3 weeks from now, I don't know, something like that. I will be going to the beach. It's not the big beach trip that I've been filming and meaning to upload and never get to upload it. It's just a beach trip that I'm going to with my cousin because they invited my grandma to go since my grandpa died on last December, so I guess because of that, my grandma's going, or they invited her, and I was jokingly said I would really like to go to that, and by jokingly I mean like not, semi-serious, like, I would like to go to it, but I know I won't be able to go to it, but sure enough, I'm going, so awesome. It's like just me and my cousin, my grandma, and his family and whatnot. So it'll be a pretty awesome trip. I'm looking forward to it. I doubt I'll vlog it. I'll have my iPod on me, so if there is anything worth filming, I will film it with my iPod. But generally speaking, I probably won't get. I'm not planning on it. That's something that I'd prefer just to go and just have fun and not have to worry about a camera and such like that. However, and let me also explain what happened to last summer's videos. I was so determined to upload them last summer. I was basically done with editing them. I probably had one more day to go, like one more day's worth of videos to go. I was like to that point, and Movie Maker crashed, and I lost. Well, I lost what I've been working on, at that particular point in time, which was like I guess day 6, or day 5, whatever, however that would work out when I'm numbering it. Like I had all the other numbers, all the other days saved, but I had done some stuff with that particular day that I was editing, that took a little while or something like that, and when it crashed and I lost the save, because when I had it set up to autosave, it would, every 10 minutes, the program would freeze for like a solid minute, and I couldn't do anything because it was trying to save a, like a checkpoint pretty much. Should Movie Maker crash, and that was just too tedious. So I had turned that off, and sure enough, whenever Movie Maker crashed, I wouldn't get my data back, but I would have a smooth, enjoyable editing, throughout the whole thing. But yeah, I was just like, no, why did it have to crash? Sometimes I can retrieve it, but, it's usually when Movie Maker crashes like that, it's, too late. You're too bad. You're screwed. So I was just like, man, so I figured, okay, I'm done editing for today. I've edited like all day today. But then came tomorrow and then the rest of the days, and I just never got back to it. So, yeah. Anyway, that's that. However, if I can get to the point where I can get this little laptop thing at Walmart, then I will be able to take that with me to the beach this summer, and I could edit while there. Like, before I go to bed every night or something, I could just pop it up on Live Movie Maker, because it's Windows 7 or whatever. Live Movie Maker, from what I hear, is terrible, and it looks really strange. But, who knows, maybe I'd find some sort of third-party thing, or I could use Ubuntu, because, well, Ubuntu's kind of weird. Whatever. Just, whatever. Yeah, we'll see, but somehow I'll probably be able to edit it while I'm there, which would make a lot more sense. I haven't been able to do that before, but then I could just do that and maybe then hit the Starbucks, maybe upload 1 or 2 videos, every other day or something like that. We'd see how that would go. I don't know. But yeah, if I can get at least that computer for, before we go there, that would make me absolutely excited, because then I'll be able to do that. So yes, that's that. Let's see, that's that thing. Something else for this summer, I'm trying to get another job. I'm looking at Staples, which would be pretty cool. A technology-related job. It looks like the description was like, or the requirements are like you will need to have experience in diagnosing and upgrading and doing stuff to computers and whatnot. I'm like, okay, that sounds like the one that I should take, and yeah, because that's pretty much what my computer classes that I took, the past 4 years have been, except for like the programming class was kind of different, but networking, yeah, to some extent, and then the both computer engineering classes that I took were pretty much, that. So I do have experience with that. So I decided to do that position. However, we are stuck on the application because we're not exactly sure what my available days are as of yet, because of my other job, which I am getting. I've already been hired and whatnot. We still do not know the days we're working. Once we get that information, we will then be able to fill that in. But since it's a required field, I can't leave it blank and then discuss it later. I have to do it in the application, which is not exactly my preference, but whatever. So yeah, that's holding me up right now. Hopefully no one steals that position before I get it. But yeah, it would be awesome if I could get that job. So yes, I am hopefully going to be able to do that. That would be really cool. So yeah, that's that. So I might be getting another job, which would be pretty cool. And hopefully going through the school year. That's a goal that my parents are wanting me to do. So, and I think it's a good idea, because then I can continue to make money even throughout the school year, which would be awesome. That would make so many more video making opportunities and such. And it would also help me save for the MacBook Pro. Yes, I am still very hooked on that computer. I don't think I will ever be deterred from it, unless if the new upcoming updates do something like, and even if it does take away the super drive, which is something that I'm cringe about. It's like my worst nightmare is losing the super drive, because the super drive to me, even though it's probably one of the most least used features, I do like to burn CDs. It's pretty fun, especially after my CAT2 class. We did a lot of CD burning, and there's a lot of useful ISOs. There's a lot of useful software that's on ISOs that you burn to disks, and it'd be really nice to have that feature. But if it doesn't, I'll just get the external version and pay an infinite more amount of money for that, but whatever. It's only like $80 extra dollars, whatever. But yeah, hopefully they won't do that. But even if they do, and it looks like the newer version of the MacBook Pro is going to be thinner. yeah, and not MacBook Air thin, but a little bit thinner. That would be awesome. I'm seriously liking that, so I would be willing to sacrifice the optical drive for a thinner profile. As if even it's not like it's not thin now. I don't know. I didn't word that right, but no, as if it's not already very thin. Whatever. At least compared to the school laptop I had, which was pretty thick. Yet still thinner than my old laptop, which is that. Whatever. Anyway, yes. So that would be pretty awesome if I could get that. So yeah, that is my ultimate goal. I am I'm going to get one. Don't worry. I will be getting one of those ones. So yeah. Anywho, because this $2 laptop I'm getting, I'm gonna see if it can, dual core processor. That should be, I don't know, it should be good enough. I do need to look at, again, need to look at reviews and such. But if I could continue my Minecraft series with it, that would be epically awesome. I actually am able to play Minecraft. I set up our old desktop, but it's old. It's older than this iMac. It's like 5 or 6 or 7 years old. It's weird. Sometimes it's totally awesome, and I can have like normal render distance on, and it worked absolutely perfect. And then like the next time I play, it's horribly laggy, and it's like requires short render distance. I've not had to go to tiny render distance, but I can't play with particles on. And I downloaded a Fraps, but unfortunately, from what I didn't know, Fraps cost $30. So I didn't want to spend $30. So I have the trial version, and the trial version is so tedious to use, it's not even worth messing with. I mean, seriously, it's not. The trial version is basically, each clip is 30 seconds, and I wish that it would just do 30 seconds, then cut, but then automatically start up again 30 seconds, or just split it. I don't know. It would, it'd still be a little bit of a pain, but, I mean, the fact that it's 30 seconds, stop recording, it's like, hit record, 30 seconds later it stops recording, and then you have to manually hit record again. There'd just be lots of black spots every 30 seconds in the video. That just doesn't, it's awful. It's hard to use. Ugh. I tried doing another episode with it, and I'm like, I can't do this, so I switched to Cam Studio, and it made the program laggy, and finally was like, whatever. Luckily I had a backup of that map, so I just replaced it with backup stuff. Yeah. Episode 24 I have not yet uploaded. That is the latest episode, so I'll need to get that uploaded eventually, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, it would be awesome to get that back, but I do need to show you guys my other world. I've done lots of stuff in there. I've got so many resources. I've got over a stack of diamonds. Like, I've got 60, let's see, I forced myself to throw away 5 diamonds because I cheated and went into creative mode and got myself 1 nether wart because I cannot for the life of me find them in the nether. So I've decided if I want to do that, something like that, I have to sacrifice 5 diamonds. I've thought about originally doing 10 diamonds, but that is a little bit ridiculous. So 5 diamonds, yeah. So I've got like I'm going to say 69, or no, 65 diamonds, because I used some to make a pick. Whatever. It's just, yes. And of course, I actually, while I was looking for it, I lost some diamond armor, so that also failed because I died in the nether from falling too far and blah, whatever. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to show you guys my thing. I put a 3rd level on my house. It's a basement type thing. Really cool. Really liking it. One thing I'm trying to do is I'm trying to convert all of my stoves, furnaces, from using coal. I want to make them all use charcoal because it's so much more abundant than coal, because I did this today. I went and just planted like 4 jungle saplings in my yard, then took the bone meal and then cut them all the way down, and then cooked them and turned it all into charcoal, and yeah. But whatever. I think charcoal's a bit more efficient than, well, it's not more efficient. It's literally the same item. It's just, it's more abundant in, Anyways, I'm going to go and kill the video here because it's almost 15 minutes. So yeah, this is actually one of my better update videos because I've talked about stuff all the way through. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Adios.